Okay, it's July 2010. We're on the Good Times cruise. Hi!
Look, Alyssa. Daddy's back there driving the boat.
Wow! Pretty out here.
Look, spin all the way around. Daddy's in the boat.
Sunshine. Daddy's in there. Look at. He's driving. With Uncle Doug. And Uncle Doug. Alyssa, what do you think? Do you like the boat? Do you like it, Alyssa? No. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Okay, now what?